Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an enthralling journey through the realm of game development and 3D animation. Today, we dive deep into the mysterious world of Unreal Engine. Prepare yourself for an exciting, humorous, and mind-boggling adventure. What the hell is Unreal Engine? Who are the masterminds behind its creation, and when did this technological wizardry begin? In the year 1998, Tim Sweeney founded Unreal Engine. With a dash of magic and a hint of mischief, he set out to revolutionize the world of game development forever. But how did this technological marvel come to be? Well, it all started with a grand vision and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Unreal Engine began as a product of dedication and innovation. Its development team conjured a powerful concoction of cutting-edge technologies and intricate algorithms, resulting in a virtual masterpiece. But what makes Unreal Engine truly extraordinary is its underlying architecture. It employs a robust system of real-time rendering, physics simulation, and advanced lighting techniques that immerse players in breathtaking virtual worlds. The development environment of Unreal Engine is like a magician's workshop, teeming with creative tools and resources. From the intuitive blueprint visual scripting system to the powerful C++ programming language, it offers developers an enchanting palette to bring their wildest ideas to life. Now let's uncover some of Unreal Engine's most intriguing features. Picture this, a dynamic material system that breathes life into textures, photorealistic graphics that blur the line between fantasy and reality, and a robust physics engine that adds depth to every interaction. As time marched on, Unreal Engine evolved alongside the realm of 3D animation, seamlessly integrating itself into countless realms of imagination. It became the go-to tool for not only game development, but also architectural visualization, film production, and even virtual reality experiences. Speaking of examples, let's peek into some remarkable projects that have harnessed the power of Unreal Engine. Remember the visually stunning Hellblade: Senua's Sacrifice? This captivating game delved into the depths of mental health, leaving players spellbound. And who could forget the groundbreaking virtual production techniques employed in Disney's The Mandalorian? Unreal Engine's real-time rendering allowed for immersive and expansive environments, breathing life into a galaxy far, far away. But wait, there's more. Unreal Engine has a hidden arsenal of fascinating facts. Did you know that it has become a staple for virtual concerts, giving rise to virtual celebrities and mind-blowing performances? The potential of Unreal Engine is boundless. Its ability to transport us to magical worlds and evoke emotions is limited only by the bounds of our imagination. Yet, as with any grand tale, there are alternative paths to explore. One such alternative is Unity, a rival engine that stands toe-to-toe with Unreal Engine. While Unreal Engine boasts its own brand of enchantment, Unity has carved out its own niche in the realm of game development and interactive experiences. Unity offers a user-friendly interface and a simplified development process, making it accessible to both seasoned developers and aspiring creators. Its strength lies in its versatility, allowing developers to create games for multiple platforms, from mobile devices to consoles and beyond. But let's delve deeper into one specific alternative: CryEngine. This formidable engine, known for its stunning visuals and realistic environments, has been utilized in critically acclaimed games like Crysis and Rice: Son of Rome. CryEngine shares some similarities with Unreal Engine, such as its focus on high-quality visuals and immersive experiences. However, CryEngine places a particular emphasis on rendering technology, enabling developers to create breathtakingly realistic worlds. As the battle between Unreal Engine and its alternatives rages on, it's important to note that each engine has its own unique strengths and applications. Developers often choose based on their specific project requirements and personal preferences. Now let's take a leap into the future. Brace yourselves, for artificial intelligence is about to cast its spell upon the realm of 3D animation and modeling. With the advancements in artificial intelligence, the boundaries of creativity are being pushed further than ever before. AI algorithms can now generate realistic textures, animate characters with lifelike movements, and even assist in level design. This symbiotic relationship between AI and 3D animation holds immense potential. It frees artists and developers to focus more on their creative vision while leveraging AI's capabilities to enhance their work. From procedural generation of assets to intelligent character behaviors, AI is unlocking new realms of possibility in the realm of 3D animation. It's a thrilling time to witness the evolution of this art form. And so, dear adventurers, we conclude our riveting journey through the captivating tale of Unreal Engine.
I don't think so.
Remember, within the realm of Unreal Engine, imagination knows no bounds. Whether you're a developer, an artist, or simply an avid player, embrace the magic and let your wildest dreams come to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. And as always, stay tuned for the next intriguing tale from the world of technology and beyond. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep unleashing the extraordinary.